The following question reads out which expression gives an SI base quantity? So you're given these following expressions, and you need to figure out which one is an SI base quantity. So let's have a go through over which quantities are considered to be SI base quantities. So here I've listed all the SI base units: length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount in moles, and luminous intensity. These are your SI base units, and these are their symbols. Now the first one is charge per unit time. Now, charge per unit time or coulomb per second is basically current.